Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today, the passage that I will share with you from Pope Francis's new encyclical entitled Fratelli, Tutti, We Are All Brothers and Sisters. Pope Francis warns us about the dangers that our world is facing at this time. Barriers, dangers that prevent us from living as one human family. And so this is what the Pope has to say. The best way to dominate and gain control over people is to spread despair and discouragement, even under the guise of defending certain values. Today, in many countries, hyperbole, extremism, and polarization have become political tools. Employing a strategy of ridicule, suspicion, and relentless criticism. In a variety of ways, one denies the right of others to exist or to have an opinion. Their share of the truth and their values are rejected, and, as a result, the life of society is impoverished and subjected to the hubris of the powerful. Political life no longer has to do with healthy debates about long-term plans to improve people's lives and to advance the common good, but only with slick marketing techniques primarily aimed at discrediting others. In this craven exchange of charges and countercharges, debate degenerates into a permanent state of disagreement and confrontation. Amid the fray of conflicting interests, where victory consists in eliminating one's opponents, how is it possible to raise our sights, to recognize our neighbors, or to help those who have fallen along the way? A plan that would set great goals for the development of our entire human family nowadays seems like madness. We are growing ever more distant from one another, while the slow and demanding march towards an increasingly united and just world is suffering a new and dramatic setback. Thank you for watching today.